Alrighty people, welcome back. So first video after testing out the new truck.
Yeah.
And we're actually using the truck to unfortunately do what, Todd?
We're pulling the 02 Suburban known as Myles to its great new home. Scrap the body. We saved the motor to put into the 02 GMC Suburban work truck. We saved all the go fast goodies like the headers and so forth. We're going to put onto that. Sold the transmission to Brian for Gringo. We sold the wheels to Tuner Chris. We will tune this and then tune the other truck as well. So, but yeah, we had an issue with the 02 where it had a little bit of an accident, and somebody pulled out in front of me after I'd taken off quick from a light, and I was able to stop and not rear end this truck, but I slid and hit the B-pillar at the doors into the guy's custom-made aluminum bumpers. So
yeah,
that pinched it pretty bad, and I was already kind of looking at selling it just because it wasn't as family-friendly and easy to run as I kind of needed. So
yep.
I think there was a glitch in the computer, or something was glitching. It wasn't running as good as we could have really used. So, but it was really fun. It was a good build. That was March, and well, most of 2020 we worked on that.
Yep.
So it's really sad. Not the way we wanted it to go, and it's kind of creepy too, because before I even started the Suburban project, I was like, okay, worst case scenario, how do we get some of this money back? I was like, well, okay, well, if it all goes wrong, we have to part it out, then, at least I can save the motor to reuse. So we're kind of reliving out that worst case scenario. So, but I was probably going to only be able to sell it for about $6,000. So, I think we'll get a better value. I don't think we'll get too much out of scrap per se. Maybe $100, maybe. We'll see. But it's been a few months. We were supposed to get it done in August, but my little boy was born early, in the middle of August, so that didn't work out. So we're early November and finally getting into the scrapyard here. So, but we did find a new truck. It doesn't really replace the Suburban, but it does have a lot of nice features. So.
Exactly. Very cold AC.
Very nice. It is two-wheel drive, so, and it's got kind of similar get up and go to the Suburban, so it'll be a nice replacement for it. So thankfully, it has the tow features already installed, and the gain controls and all that. It's got the real heavy-duty hitch on it. So thankfully, the big Tex trailer is doing its job. We'll see how everything goes here.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's the quick and short story. We will keep posted.
Exactly. So let's see you back in a bit once we start unloading Myles here.
Yeah.
But anyways, make sure you check out the shop, and you can get Todd's race car or no car shirt, which he's wearing right now. So multiple colors, multiple sizes, and multiple styles of shirts available. Yeah. So check it out.
And the hat.
And the hat, yeah. TheCombustionGuys hat.
We went full merch today.
Exactly. At least for Todd, anyways.
Yeah.
I was wearing full merch yesterday, so doing some work. So
Are you doing gamer merch or TheCombustionGuys merch?
TheCombustionGuys merch. I was wearing all that yesterday. So yeah. So I was wearing my version of that shirt with my version of that hat.
What's your favorite new product?
Let's see here. Well, honestly, that one fit really, really good. I do like that. That's very nice.
Type of shirt?
Yep. How he did that shirt design worked out really good. Yep, because you got the red / TCG on the back. You can't really see it there, but it's a very, very comfy design there, because you got the full front, and then you get just that in the back, and so it doesn't kind of pinch the back like some big designs do. So honestly, it fits really, really good. So I was very impressed with that.
Good price for a front and back logo shirt.
Exactly. Yeah. So
I forget what it was. Was it 25 or something?
Yep. So the one shirt design, which is Fruit of the Loom, you can get for $21.50. That's the starting price without the double-sided design, and then for I think it's the Gildan, which is made out of all-American cotton, which we definitely like that. Starts at $23.50, and that's just for the single design on the front or the back, so not double-sided design. But anyways, but yeah, definitely like the shirts, so check it out. So we'll see you here in a bit. There's no wood. Akadaka, so Myles is gone.
Yeah, it's funny because I even just kind of started just calling it Suburban just to take the little bit of personality away from it.
Yep.
So, it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed Myles. It was a good name. It was catchy. Good doggo.
Dougie.
Yeah,
And the roadie.
dog. Pretty dog, though. That was pretty good. But yeah, so, you know, we got $170 for the whole thing. It looks like when we were on the scales, it was like 11,000 pounds and change.
Yeah.
And then off the scales, that's kind of cool. It was 8,800 everything. So big techs and the big truck here. So, which means this isn't super duper duper heavy.
Yeah.
Per se.
Exactly.
But yeah, so a little bit of an end of an era. I mean, it's a lot of fun we had with that Suburban for only $3,000.
Yeah.
And we got it with 226,000 miles on it. I think we bought it from the second owner. He was a NASA engineer, so they put a lot of miles on it. Back and forth to Gainesville and Georgia. So, just a lot of family work miles. So. That's one of the reasons why we call it Myles.
Yep.
So, but I learned a lot. First motor swap ever. Definitely, you know, fell even more in love, I guess you might say. Yeah, you probably might not say that. I'm going to say that. You know, just really had better admiration for the LS platform. And we were looking at those too, the Honda Pilots with the blackout. Yeah, I still love that platform. And that was a really good combo with the motor and the 40 stage 2 4060. I think we needed a different converter, but with the 410s in the back, it made it I think it really, once we did all the tires, the wheels, the brakes, it really the only thing it needed to be really, really nice was just a better paint job.
Yeah.
And the headliner redone, and it would have been almost like a restoration to a degree.
Yeah.
Because the frame was in excellent shape.
Yeah,
I mean, if we'd had a field where we could just set it there and say, hey, here's the frame, come get it, that would have been an option, but we didn't have that option, so. And they don't have a turn signal. Well, go. I got a turn signal. I got a turn signal. You got a turn signal. That means you can go.
Yeah, just a little shaking the head nonsense.
Well, hey, no flat tires in the big techs either.
Yep. So.
The two of those tires, they got cracks and they need to be replaced. I'm like, oh, we need to replace those. We need to replace those.
Yep. So that's
It's
nice.
been to St. Cloud, or it's been to Kissimmee twice on those tires. We're gonna get our life's worth out of those.
Yep.
But this truck did really good hauling that much of a load. So I mean, that's 1,800 pounds on the big techs, and then 33 on top of that, badly loaded.
Yeah.
Can't wait till you watch the video of that. That one even one-ups the Camaro, which was like a perfect load.
Yeah, well, that thing was a lot lighter too, so that made it a lot more fun.
A lot easier to line it up
Yep.
too. So, but yeah. But we're really liking the new truck. We don't have a name for it yet. Any ideas, Bear?
Not at the moment, nope.
I just had an idea.
Yeah.
I watched Batman Forever last night, so I'm almost wondering if Bruce.
That would work. Bruce.
Bruce might be a good name.
That would
for
work.
a new truck. It seems fitting.
Yeah.
Short, simple, sweet, to the point.
Well, I mean, once you start blacking out some of the trim, I think it,
We
that
could
might
even
fit.
make special logos for it.
Yeah.
You could do a little bat and then put Bruce in it. You have to be careful how you did that.
Yeah. Okay, that would
Bruce.
Bruce.
It's Brucey. Ooh, that's
Okay,
You could
that's
tie
a good
it
name.
into,
Let us know if you like that name.
Tie it into Nemo and Batman.
Yeah, exactly. So, okay. That'd be funny.
I'm hungry for fish.
Fish up front. Oh, food.
I like it. I think that might be it.
Okay, there we go.
I think that might be it.
Bruce. That'll work.
Oh, and our old faithful big Tex trailer again. I think, was it last year I was thinking about getting rid of it?
Yeah.
I mean, I only paid $1,500 for it. And I couldn't buy it for that now. So, that's crazy.
Yeah, nice little workhorse.
Yeah.
So,
Awesome.
Yep.
Thanks for following along the journey with us. Some of those videos are kind of weird and kind of dumb and lengthy and wordy, but yeah, we were learning on the way.
exactly.
So, all right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, a little bit. There we go. That works.
That's better. Slow reaction time and better launch. Wow, that felt good. That felt good. Little pop there. Camera is coming. I'm gonna get it. Must be close. Got it. I think I got it. Not sure. It was close though. He was gaining on me. Felt better. They had one little pop, but not that breakup. So we'll see what that was.